Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today we're going to do a quick comparison review between the Reeve knives Large Sebenza 21 and the Small Sebenza 21. These are true icons in the knife world, and first they were introduced in 1990. The basic model always had like a sandblasted titanium handle, this, of course, this is the Wilson Combat Edition, so it's gonna differ from the plain Jane one, just because this has some milled out grooves in the presentation scale and in the back as well, but that's just gonna be the main difference. Originally the Sebenza was available with an ATS-34 steel blade. Then in around 1996 the blade was changed to BG42, and in 2001 they just transitioned to CPM S30V steel. CPM S30V was developed by Crucible Steel in collaboration with Reeve, so pretty big deal right there. Then in 2012, I believe, all Reeve knives transitioned to S35VN Steel. And they had like different models, like the production in 2008 stopped for the regular Sebenza and the classic Sebenza, and they were discontinued, and they were replaced by the Sebenza 21, which is this guy, and because it was like 21 years of the Sebenza production, so that's why it's called 21. And of course the 21 was based on the previous model, so it took some design aspects, but there are still some small details which are going to be different from the previous generations. So the large one is going to be around 8.3 inches in overall length, whereas the small one is like 6.8. 3.6 is the length of the large blade, and the small blade is going to be 2.9 inches. Weight also is going to be like a deciding factor, because this bad boy is going to weigh in at 4.7 ounces, whereas the small one is 3 ounces. If weight is a concern, you can consider to get the large 21 with carbon fiber scales, and that is gonna save you like 1 ounce, weighing in at around 3.7 ounces. There's not like really one size fits all, because these are pretty different blades, even if they look the same and size is just what you think it's different. But actually this guy, I think it's more suitable for like to take it out in the field if you go camping, more like an outdoor beast. This guy, it's smaller, so it would be ideal as an office carry or like a regular EDC knife. It has a little bit more of a gentleman's carry, even if it's it still has that tactical look, but still I think because of the size it can be quite appropriate as a gentleman's carry. So if you are in the size, just get them both, so you can pick, you can rotate them, and you can choose whatever fits best your needs. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick comparison review, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.